Hotspot means your mobile phone will be used as a Wi-Fi for the surrounding laptops and mobile phones. To set your mobile phone as a hotspot, you should first disable any Wi-Fi on your phone if it is enabled. Next, go to the setting to disable any data saver settings if it is turned on. To turn any data saver settings off, go to settings, click connection, click data usage, click data saver, then disable this, turn on now. So it's disabled, data saver is disabled. Then turn your data on, the mobile data on, because it will be used as a hotspot. You have to enable the mobile hotspot in order to use it as a Wi-Fi. Enable it by clicking on the icon. So we have enabled it. The next move will be by long pressing on this mobile hotspot icon. Just enable the security of your mobile phone if it is used as a Wi-Fi. To do so, long press it, and it will pop up with these two options: the network name and password. So these are very important settings. The network name is simply the name of your hotspot or your mobile. So you can set it whatever you wish, call it whatever. The very important thing is the password. You have to set a password. Otherwise, anybody will be using your network, and you will have a very weak data if it is distributed among your friends. So please set a password and make it secure. Then after securing the password and the network name, just save it. So the people around you will need your password in order to use your hotspot. Finally, save it and you are good to go.